Hola! Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create a mini spreadsheet and a chart in Microsoft Excel. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to open up Microsoft Excel. So for me, I have it here, but also I can scroll down on this side through Microsoft to get to the M's, and I will click on Microsoft Office and I will find Microsoft Excel. Now that I'm in Excel, I'm going to create a blank workbook. And I am now ready to type in my information. So in A1, I'm going to type in favorite ice cream flavors. In cell A2, I'm going to type in flavors. In A3, I'm going to type in vanilla. In A4, chocolate. In A5, strawberry. In A6, mint chocolate chip. In A7, cookies and cream. In A8, chocolate, peanut butter. And in A9, other. We are creating a spreadsheet on favorite ice cream flavors. This is a column and this is a row. Where a row and a column intersect is going to be a cell. So this is cell A1. As you see, my text overflows into cell B and cell C. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand column A. I move my mouse between column A and column B. I double click and expand to fit the widest entry. Now in B2, I'm going to type in section 1. In C2, I'm going to type section 2. And in D2, I'm going to type section 3. And now I'm going to enter some values. We collected favorite ice cream flavor selections from the class, and I'm going to go ahead and put in the amounts in each of these cells. And now we're ready to format. I'm going to select A1 through D1, and I'm going to come up here on my home menu. I'm going to click on this button called Merge and Center. It's going to take all the cells, merge them together, and center the words. Then I'm going to come up here and use my fill color, and I'm going to fill this in with a very light blue. I'm going to select A2 to A9, back up to my fill color, and I'm going to fill this in with a very light orange. And then section 1, all of the data, section 2 and section 3, and I'm going to fill this in with a different colored blue. I will select A1 down to D9 by clicking and dragging. And now I'm ready to insert a bar chart. So up here under recommended charts, there is an insert column or bar chart. I'm going to click the arrow. I'm going to click on 2D bar, and I now have a bar chart. The title I'm going to change to favorite ice cream flavors. I am going to click on my values, click on my chart elements, and turn on my data labels. I'm going to change the color scheme to a different color scheme. And I'm going to save this file in my computer literacy folder as favorite ice cream flavors, your name.